Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add any Roblox game to your favorites so that you can quickly access it anytime. First of all, launch open the Roblox application on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're inside the home page of Roblox, use the search bar at the top and type in the name of the game you want to add to your favorite list. You can also browse the games on the home page through categories. Select any game you want to mark as your favorite and tap on it. After selecting the game, click on the three dots in the Game Info section. Now click on Favorite in the pop-up and you'll be able to mark the game as your favorite. The game will then be added in your favorite list. So that is how you can easily mark a game as favorite in Roblox. You can add as many games as you like to your favorites. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.